The 2019 KTM 450 Rally Replica. For almost 2 decades, KTM has been a fixture at the top of the field in the Paris to Dakar Rally, and the 450 Rally Factory Replica is meant to pay homage to the bike that carried Sam Sunderland to victory in the 2019 Silk Way Rally. That's right, sports fans, the actual factory rally bike just dominated a race that traverses the Gobi Desert and crosses the borders of Russia, Mongolia, and China, and this is the public model made in its image. It's not a machine for the casual off-road rider, but rather, it's built with would-be rally racers in mind, and toward that end, the Rally FR doesn't waste any weight on superfluous equipment. 2019 KTM 450 Rally Replica design. Engineers worked with feedback from the racers to come up with the overall design, starting with the narrow build that leaves plenty of room for body English. The Rally FR shows a strong off-road connection right out of the gate in the laced wheels, bash plate, high-mount front mudguard and long fork tube guards that protect the swept area of the forks from grit and grime that might damage the fork seals. Since the front fender is mounted to the triple tree, its mass is transferred from the unsprung weight at the front axle to the sprung weight that's carried by the front forks in a bid to maximize front-end traction on rough terrain. A clear, rally-style screen punches a hole in the wind for the instrumentation, and if you're seated, your lower torso.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.